Hello, good morning. My name is Rashid Karim Babatunde, and you are welcome to this R programming webinar. I will be taking us through some few things about R programming this morning, and I would like us to look at basic things about how to become a data scientist. I am a data scientist, and I've been working with a BTL company consulting firm for almost 2 years now. I am the head research and data analytics for GDM Group, which is a BTL consulting firm, and I will be taking you through some few things about how to code, how to write some programs, and how to develop your own reports, and how to use this R programming to work on few data and some of the things that you need to do, be it in academy, be it in your office. You're an accountant, an HR person, you are a data analyst person. As the case may be, you probably need to learn some of these few things. Before I start this, I would like to take you through how to get an open source R Studio. Let's quickly go to my Mozilla Firefox, which I have opened before. You will see a R Studio URL here, which I actually launched. So when you come here, this is what you get when you open the R Studio software. You go to product, you click on R Studio. When you click on R Studio, you come down to desktop R Studio. You don't come here, you don't download here, you still come down. This is some of the few things that R Studio can do for you: data analysis suite, interactive web applications, documents, reports, graph, and more. Then you can come down to see the open source software and the commercial license. You will probably want to download the open source software, which is download R Studio desktop. When you download this, you can install it on your system and open it and have something like this. So when you open these, you will see 4 windows like this. So I will define some of these windows and let you understand what all these windows are all about. So the first one is called a scripts window. This is where you write some of your codes in R Studio, and you have a console here where everything you are writing are being run, are being analyzed, and it shows a result here. So when you run your code here, it analyzes it analyzes your code here, and it shows your code here, and it shows your reports here. So it shows some parameters here, and you come down to this. We can say this window is an output window or an environment output window. So if you come here, we call it a file window. So in this file, you can see some of the files in your directory on your normal computer system. You can see some of your files. You can see this one. I have a chatbot file, copy of GTB questionnaire, custom office templates, FB account analysis, .power BI, and some of the files that I have there. You can see a plot module where you can export some of your plots as image, PNG, JPEG, or as PDF. Then you have packages. You have a lot of packages that actually comes with R Studio. So some of these packages are actually inside a library called packages. So we'll go through some of these things in the future, and you can see help. You can actually work with help and check some of the functions that you don't understand the way they work. Then you have a viewer to actually check some of the things that you are actually that you are working on as from the R script to the console and to your output. So I will be taking us through some few things this morning. We'll first of all talk about how you can define a variable in R programming. So the first thing I will do is I will take you through how you can create a script page. You can create a new script by just go here. You can see, come here and create a new R script. So when you click on this, you have a new R script which is on title 3. Because I have not saved it, it's named it on title 3. So when I come here, I can say my name should be assigned to Rashid. Then I click on Control Enter. So it runs that as a string variable. Then I click greetings. I write greeting assigned to hello. Then I run that too. Then I can actually say, write a message to someone and say this message is into brackets greetings, greeting, which I've already run, comma, my name. So if you look at this now, if I run this now, it will actually tell me I'm having two variables assigned to this message. So if I run this, it goes, okay, it's showing us an error message that this is unexpected. In message, you cannot have greetings and have another one here. So we'll take a look at some of these things in the next video and see how we can actually solve that error. Thank you very much.